making your own independent plug-ins when you're doing mobile welding, independent field welding. This is my Westinghouse generator. It's a 75, 95 watt peak amp generator, and I make different ends so that way I can plug in here for my 220. I have one that I made for shop 220 when I use my shop setup. So when I'm using the shop setup, I make different ends. I got an end actually for my container conversion, and I have an end for when I'm using my 220 welders. And I also, like, when I don't need one for the 110 welder, but for the 220. So this is a good generator where you could actually make your ends. I would say don't go all the way out. Sometimes trying to buy something like this, they probably charge you 60, 70 something bucks to make your end, when you can literally get you some scrap pieces, or you can go up there and just say, hey man, I need a 2-foot piece, a foot piece, this type of gauge, and buy your ends and do it yourself. Most of everything nowadays are online, where you can find out the diagram to show you how to correctly hook everything up and run it properly. So you can do it. It is possible. Just want to give you an update on this one. But I do like this generator. This has been a great generator. I love the fact that it's easy to run. It's very cost efficient as far as when I'm doing jobs that don't require a lot of gas, and it got a remote control, remote start. This is a real good, nice generator. So as you see, I got a little damage right there on mine. That's why I got the discount, because something fell on it and hit it there. But it was a brand new generator, and I got the deal on it, because we are mobile field welders, so we're not tripping on a little damage, because that happens when you do field welding. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to give y'all an update and say, hey, build your own independent plugins. Make sure you got what you need, so that way you won't have no downtime. So if you need a 120 plug or 220, a different type of plug, on and make everything you need. That way when it's time to get the bag, you ain't stopping trying to figure out how to get everything together. Get everything together on your downtime. I think that's wise. Hold on.